All right, here we go. Every letter makes a sound. The A says, the B says, the C says. Every letter makes a sound. The D says, good job. The E says, the F says, the G says, and the H says. The I says, the J says, the K says. What does the K say? The L says, oh, look at Mama. The M says, the N says, the O says, what does the O say? Good job. And the P says, good job. The Q says, the R says, the S says, and the T says, the U says, the V says, the W says, and the X says, the Y says, and the Z says. Good job, Gabby! Those are all the letters of the alphabet. Yay! Oh, you want to go kick something now, like the letter K.